Here, we will show you how to transfer data from iPhone to OnePlus step by step. Way 1. How to transfer data from iPhone to OnePlus using Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. 1. After installing and launching this program on your computer, select the Mobile Transfer module from the interface. 2. Connect your iPhone and OnePlus phone to the computer using two suitable USB cables. Then follow the on-screen prompts to enable the USB debugging on OnePlus and trust the computer on iPhone. Please note that iPhone must be in the source position. If not, tap the flip button to change the position. Once connected, you will see connected under the device images. 3. Check the data types you wish to copy from the table and hit the Start Copy button to start the data migration. Way 2. How to transfer data from iPhone to OnePlus via OnePlus Switch. 1. Download the OnePlus Switch app for iPhone from a reliable source. On some OnePlus Switch comes with a pre-installed app. In Settings, Advanced OnePlus. If there isn't one on your OnePlus device, you can install it from Google Play Store. 2. Run OnePlus on the OnePlus phone. Tap I'm a new phone, and choose the old device as iPhone. Then click Continue, and a QR code will appear on the screen. 3. Open the OnePlus Switch on your iPhone. Choose I'm an old phone and use iPhone to scan the QR code displayed on the OnePlus phone to establish a connection between them. 4. When connected, choose the data types you want to transfer on iPhone and press the Start button to start switching from iPhone to OnePlus. Way 3. How to transfer data from iPhone to OnePlus with Google account. 1. On your computer, visit iCloud.com, sign in with the same Apple ID you use on your iPhone, and choose the Contacts tab. After that, select the contacts you wish to migrate and click the gear-shaped icon at the lower left corner. Export the card export. 2. Go to contacts.google.com on your computer, enter your Google account and password to sign in, and tap Import. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to upload the saved card file to your Gmail account. 3. On your OnePlus phone, install the Google Drive app, find the saved contacts, and sync them to your OnePlus device.